Check out this Jeep 2018 Wrangler Sport. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, power steering, steering wheel mounted audio controls, normal duty suspension, traction control and 4-wheel disc brakes. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.